In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Base44 app on the Google Play Store. Sign into your Base44 account, then click on Apps in the top left corner, and from here we will just open up the app which we want to publish on the Play Store. Once you have your app open, then you will select Publish, and we just want to copy the link to our app here. Copy the link to your app and then go to medium.co. You can use other services as well, but this is going to basically turn it into a native app. So here we will just paste our link, which we just copied, and we're going to click on Build Your App. Once you select Build Your App, you will need to set a name for your app. So I'm going to do Play Store Currency, just like that, and I'm going to select Start Building My App. Once you do this, if you expand this window, it is going to show you your progress. So here it is going to build the app for iPhone, Android. So we're going to just focus on Android. And once this completes, I'm going to come back. Okay, so once your app has been built here, you can test it. But if you want to proceed with uploading it, you will click on Build and Download. Now here you have the option to build Android APK AAB, or you can get your source code. So I'm just going to click on APK/AAB, and again, it is going to build it. So we're just going to wait for this to complete as well. The process is going to be fairly quick. It really depends on the complexity of your application. So again, I will just pause and come back. Alright, so once you have your app built, then you will click on download and you can download whichever file you need. So I'm going to download the APK, and here it is going to download the APK file. Now, in order to upload your app to the Google Play Store, you will need to have a Play Console developer account. So you can just set one up here and you can just upload your app on the Google Play Console, and that is going to upload it to the Play Store. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.